Hey Shooby Doodlers, how are you doing? You know, just about every website is run by algorithms, and algorithms love to see action, and they turn that action into promotion, and it all becomes a wonderful positive spiral. Because of that, I'm asking you to help me promote my new book, which isn't even finished yet, and we just have to start promoting now. So click up here or follow the link in the description box down below and go to my Kickstarter page and click the green notify me on launch button to be notified when the Kickstarter campaign for my new book begins. And look, here's a QR code to help you if you want to transfer from screen to mobile. Then make sure you come back here for the rest of the video, and let's not talk about it. Let's do it. The book I'm making is the first in a trilogy called Generation Moon, and what I'm really trying to do is to inspire the new generation of kids who will be deeply involved in space exploration in the future. Satellites, everything. If you use a mobile phone, you are using space technology today. I have been making videos for over 14 years, week in, week out, and I never really asked that much of you, my viewers and subscribers, other than to subscribe and like the videos. But this year is going to be a bit different. When I started making videos all those years ago, there weren't many of us showing drawing skills on YouTube. Now there are thousands of really brilliant artists showing you how to draw, paint, improve your creative skills. And you know, if you learn from them, you really should support them, kind of watch their adverts, join them on Patreon, buy their work. They need your support. And so do I. I want to share with you the exciting process of creating books, because that is my real proper job as a children's author and now a publisher too. There is nothing more satisfying than holding a book in your hands that you have written with your name on the front, except perhaps signing a book that you have written for somebody else that they have paid hard cash for. So as well as showing you how I make books, I'm going to be sharing my marketing journey with you. If you want people to know about the work that you do, you need to market it, even if you're going to give it away for free. You have to let people know that it is there for them to appreciate. Marketing is something I have always shied away from, but with this new project I'm grabbing it by the horns and shaking it, making sure that I really begin to understand what it's about and put it into action. Asking you to sign up with my Kickstarter page is all part of that. It is a call to action. That's what I want you to do, and if you haven't done it, do it now and come back for the rest of the video. The Kickstarter campaign to launch my new book as a signed limited edition begins on the 1st of February at 5 p.m. UK time. I'll be having a live launch party, so you can come along and join in all the fun. When I launch the campaign on the 1st of February, I will be asking you to pledge to buy a book or one of the collector packages that include all sorts of other rewards. All will be revealed on the day. If you've been following me for some time and you just want to support this project, you can do that too. From now until the launch day, I'll be keeping you up to date with all the stuff that I'm doing, and I can assure you there is a lot to do. So make sure you've gone to my Kickstarter page, click the green button to sign up for notifications of when I launch. That's 3 times I've asked you. That's what you call to action. And I am still doing drawing videos on the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. Click up here and make sure you are subscribed to that too. Do it now. That's another call to action. Thanks for watching, and keep coming back for lots more videos on the Shoo Rayner drawing channel. In the meantime, keep being creative, practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye. Thanks for watching again, and thanks for answering my calls to action.